Hello, Jim TechBuzz, new product in from Journey, and it's the ALTILIFT wireless charging reversible desk mat. Now it doesn't come with a keyboard and mouse, just to get that clear. It's got an adjustable stand, 15 watt wireless charging. On the back here, use the mat your own way. So you see you have sleeves here, put paperwork in, and so companion to all desks, and detachable panel and adjustable stand. And you can see here the dimensions, and this is just another photograph here. So it's got premium Vega leather, soft felt, reversible design, 50 watt wireless charge, and hideaway space. So let's peel off this tab here. Comes in a nice package as well, this string up top. And let's open it. Do we have another tag? We do. So we'll get rid of that as well. So first thing out is our cable, which is USB-C, USB-C. You've got some padded cushions there by the looks of it. And in here is our booklet and another booklet and some Journey stickers. Pretty nice. So let's get this out of the box if we can. So that's the mat itself, and here is the other side. Right, so in here we have got this guy here. So this is the main part here. It's got Journey branding here on the bottom, wireless charging for earbuds there, or your phone, and this here. So you can align before closing these dots, and this will flip open like so. Plus it can turn as well, like that. So we'll just leave that there for the time being. Get rid of that. Just make sure that's everything out there. And this is the mat itself. Pretty nice. So it is on the large side. As you see, you've got your Vega leather on one side and nice soft material up top, and you can see underneath here you can use that for storing stuff and whatever the case may be. Now, as in the illustration, you'd see you can put your mouse here or your keypad, and then you can use it with just a laptop as well. So that's it. There's a magnet in here, you can see there. So what we'll do is we'll be using this for a laptop. We'll get it set up and show you how it works. This of course will need power, and underneath here it's nice, this nice material as well, which is really nice. On the back is your USB-C port there, and that's basically it. So we'll get it set up and come back to you and show you what else it can do. So this is Jim, we're back. We have all this set up, and I'm going to show you why this is a great idea. So you got your earbuds, you got your phone, your laptop, and your mouse. So you can still use your mouse. The way I have this up here, you can stick paperwork or documents underneath, in between the sheet here, should I need them, keep them in hand. I work on this oak desk. This is much more comfortable to use and to lean on, which is great, and there's a nice texture off it, which is what you want. Now you can use it either side, it's up to yourself, and that's it there. So what I'll do is I'll flip it over and show you the other side, and that's the other side there. So everything still works there, as you can see, and that's it there. So I think I prefer the other side, but this is also quite nice as well, but again it's up to you which way you want to use it. So we'll go on from here, as they say. So first up, earbuds, wireless charging. Lights come on, they are charging, And most importantly, if you want a second screen, you have this guy here which can be used flat, as you can see in here, and the same on this. Just once you get it into the right spot, yeah, it was in the right spot. That's charging, so you can charge it either on this or this. But if you've wireless charging earbuds, all the better. Then you have this guy here that moves around like so, and this angles as well at pretty much any angle you want it to go to. And you can have your phone charging while you're doing some work, and have your social media going, or wherever it is, email separately on this if you want to do so, and still work on your laptop. And this is their website here. So as you can see there, you can have it either way, it's up to you. It's quite nice either side, plus it makes it a lot more comfortable working on this than on the oak desk that I have here. And I think I'll probably leave this here now. And you can have that there. You can also swap it around the other way as well if you're left or right handed. It's up to yourself which way you want to do it. And that's basically it. That's my iPhone 17 Pro and Status X earbuds and just a normal mouse on my laptop. So that's basically how that's going to work and what it does. And then when you're finished, you can pop this guy away. You can put some pads underneath there if you want to do so, and you can just take them off. But like me, I like wireless charging all the time, so you can just drop and go, whether that's flat or that's up, or have this here, this bottom piece here. And of course most of my earbuds are wireless charging. I can just pop them both on there as is, and you can see now both of them are charging away there. And that's basically all there is to it. And again, you can have this turned any side you want, hide your paperwork under there if you're working on something to keep it handy, and keep everything all enclosed in one little spot, which I think is nice. Less cables, less clutter, way to go. And that's basically it. So that's again an example there of a setup they have there on the website. Just put this mouse back on, and that's pretty much it. So it's going to run you around 149 quid, and that's the website there. And you can see it's got 15 watt fast charging for right or left handed, as I mentioned earlier on. And that's pretty much it there. And it rolls up as well, which is pretty cool, and plugs in at the back here, as you can see. And that basically is about it. So this lifts and rotates. You can tuck it away. You have this here for your earbuds or your phone, whatever the case is, and have your laptop or keyboard set here. It's up to yourself which way you want to go. Everyone's going to have a different setup, but that's mine at the minute. So that's it for the moment. Thanks for watching. Just for the latest from Journey, the ALTILIFT wireless charging mat, pretty cool, and that runs her up for that. And stay tuned for more from Journey coming soon, and check out other reviews. We have another 3-in-1 stand I have up in my bedroom beside my locker. We have this here now on the desk. Pretty nice little ecosystem from the company, and they're very well made products. So that's about it. See you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.